I convey our great grief on the loss of a great statesman, effective cabinet minister, and President of India, late His Excellency Pranab Mukherjee. There are many actions which have benefited several sectors. The most significant of them is the Indian health sector. Will remember in him when I went to him to sanction a loan for Apollo hospitals in Madras. He came to know that the finance ministry has already rejected this proposal. And he also understood that what I meant was to bring the best healthcare facilities and bring people so that our people will get the best healthcare. So he said, as a finance minister, I will sanction this loan so that you can borrow 50% from the banks for Indian rupee, another 50% as foreign exchange loan to import medical equipment. This helped the creation of the first Apollo private hospital in the country in Madras in 1983, which is part of the way for the private sector to bring a state-of-the-art healthcare facilities for its country, its people, and now for the world. Apollo and all the private sector have deep appreciation for His Excellency Sri Pranab Mukherjee, which I have recorded in my book, page 205 in The Healer. I am also grateful for him for visiting our house after his darshan in Tirupati. He came home and said, I had a good darshan in Tirupati, and now your wife, Srimati Sucharita, has filled my stomach. Again, in Hyderabad, when this Healer was published, the first copy I gave it to him. And he said, since the time you started the first private hospital, you and others have brought great healthcare services to our nation, which is helping our people, and the people across the world are coming to India now. My daughter Shobhana and Sangeeta were also with me in Hyderabad at that time. This is in page 205-206. At all times, Apollo Hospital will remember him so well. The entire private health sector will also remember him for the great changes that his pronouncement in 1982 helped create and recreate the private healthcare in our country, so that our people have this benefit of getting the world-class healthcare, and people across the world are coming to India, making India as the healthcare destination of the world. We are so grateful. We pray to him with my deep sympathies to the family for a great statesman's loss which the country is going through.